and welcome to India Today. Tanav is back with the second season. Before the show premieres on September 6th, we have with us Manav Vij and Gaurav Arora talking to us about what we can expect from the upcoming episodes, life, careers, and more. Welcome, Manav. Welcome, Gaurav. Welcome to India Today. So, let us begin by talking about the show, of course. And we want to know everything about Tanav season 2, the show, the prep, your role. And Manav will start with you.
Tanav season 2 is. Firstly, I'll tell you what kind of season is this.
Yes.
Uh, the energy is different in the second season. Mostly, what people do is they have to prove it again. That yaar, second season should be better than one.
Yeah.
There is no competition here. First one was very good. Second is also good, but they have changed the hidden energy of this season. When you watch it, you'll understand what I'm saying. The prep was more because it is more intense. The more action is there. We went for the physical training, then workshops, then get up. What kind of get up I need to have? Because in the first season, I had gained weight. If you've seen, I was like 104 kgs in that. So here you have to lose weight because now he's already in the
Was
field.
it a requirement of sorts?
Yeah, requirement.
Okay.
See, most of the time, see what happens when you're working with Sudhir Mishra and Sameer Nair, it's always a requirement. Sudhir sir will not play according to the gimmick of the world. The character has to do it because it's required. Otherwise, it will become a project. It has to have the soul. So then we did that. That was required. So then we prepared for the get up and all. Why we should have the get up? Why should he should have that psyche? What is more complexities in his life? कौन सी complexities है उसकी life में? That we have discussed. That was the preparation for Tanav 2. But eventually, if you ask me, Tanav 1 and Tanav 2, they both are brilliant. I have seen Tanav 2 now because eventually you will also see. The energy is totally different and it's amazing.
And the trailer does look very amazing. Yeah. Yeah. Over to you.
So, like he said, season 1 was a hit. So, when you're going on to the next season, there's a big responsibility that this has to be better than what we've already given the audience. So, a lot of focus was on that in terms of production value, in terms of action, in terms of this entire storytelling. It's on another level, is what I feel. Uh, uh, it looks bigger. Right now I can only talk that. Once you see the show, you'll know. In terms of emotions, in terms of intensity, in terms of what you see in Kashmir, it's more real, more to the point, and it's really fast paced, edge of a seat thriller, and I think you'll really enjoy it.
Okay.
Yeah.
My next question is also for you.
Tell me.
So, you are a part of a show which enjoys a massive fan following.
Uh-huh.
Does it sort of create an additional pressure to
Not at
work
all.
really well?
I'm an actor. I don't even know what kind of person I am, because get to play so many different characters in life that you as an actor shouldn't really have a personality. I feel you should not stick to one thing. I should be open to everything, and I hope this becomes even more bigger in terms of project. And I hope you say this again when we meet next time for something else, that there's another curled project that you've done. So ऐसा कुछ pressure नहीं है. I just hope people love this as much and probably even more than what I've done in the past.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. And also, my next question is for you. You play Kabir, this very morally correct police officer, and rather it very honestly playing a cop or playing such an intense role that you had. It's laden with emotions, action, so many things packed into one thing. But then you are back with the same Josh, if I may say, with the second season. Do you think somewhere you need to keep up or keep that in mind? Okay, first season was such a big hit. I need to keep up with my own self in the second season as well.
No. ये बड़ा पंगा है. ये मैं थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ.
Yes.
ये बहुत गड़बड़ की हुई है सभी एक्टर्स ने. या हमें भी लगता है कि ये पहला सीजन था तो दूसरी दोबारा आपने. आई एम टेलिंग मोस्ट ऑफ द ग्रेट एक्टर्स और मोस्ट ऑफ द एक्टर्स, दे डोंट टेक देमसेल्फ सीरियसली. आप जानते ही नहीं उनको. सी ढांचा तैयार है. You have directors like Sudhir Mishra Universe.
Yeah.
Now the workshops are done. You have already done the first season. Now you have to leave that emotion there, and there's a new emotion started. Okay? Up you have to just go with the graph. Everything is not in the hand of an actor. it's a director's medium. There is a photography unit, there's a art direction, there's a sound department, and then there's a production designing. There are so many aspects which makes this place.
Mhm.
So if I start thinking कि मुझे इससे better करना है, तो कभी भी better नहीं होगा. मुझे सिर्फ करना है. मुझे सिर्फ follow करना है जो हमने लिखा है और जो पूरी टीम या मेरा डायरेक्टर बता रहा है. There's no pressure. और प्रेशर लेते ही you will start messing it up.
Yeah.
सो मुझे क्या लगता है, कभी भी मुझे नहीं लगता जो बहुत बड़े बड़े एक्टर्स रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल यू टेक बच्चन साहब, इरफान साहब, जो व्हाटएवर who have given बेहतरीन परफॉर्मेंसेस, I don't know if they take any pressure because pressure is a curse. आपका इतना बड़ा दिमाग है, 50% प्रेशर पे लगा दिया तो आप 50% ही यूज कर पाओगे क्रिएटिविटी के लिए.
Makes sense.
You have to come to zero to go to 100. 50 से अगर आप 100 पे जाओगे प्रेशर करके तो 50 की छलांग थी. You have to come to zero to go to 100. So you have to relax, stillness. आपको सोचना बंद करना है. ऑडियंस का रिएक्शन बनने के बाद आएगा. कोई काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं है. जो बंदे नीयत होती है जो बड़ी छोटी होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने देखा होगा 150 करोड़ की फिल्म है पर किसी ने नहीं देखी, और 5 करोड़ की फिल्म है सारी दुनिया ने देखी.
Why do you think so?
बिकॉज उसकी इंटेंट सही होगी, उस पिक्चर की अपनी जर्नी होगी, उस पिक्चर की अपनी किस्मत होगी. सो मनी एंड प्रेशर कैन नॉट डिसाइड. आपको पता नहीं ऑडियंस ने क्या रिएक्ट किया, आप करके बस छोड़ दो उसको. सो लाइक वी डिड इट ऑनेस्टली. हमारा मन था एक साथ काम करने का. हमारा मन था तनाव 2 बनाने का. हमने बनाया और हमने अब आपके सामने लेके आ रहे हैं. ये है ना कि पहला सीन बहुत बड़ा हिट था, ये भी हिट होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं. आपको सिर्फ काम करना है, वो हिट करा देना है जिसने कराना.
Okay, well said. So my question is for whoever wants to answer. So Tanav is loosely derived from Fauda, a very super hit Israeli show. So when again you're working on a remake of a show which has been such a big hit, do you think the chances of public scrutiny are more? Whoever, if you want to answer.
क्या चलिए रीमेक में यस यू राइट होता है, बट दिस शो इज अ रीइमेजिनेशन ऑफ द शो. आप ध्यान से नोट करना, जगह बदल गई, लोग बदल गए. दैट्स व्हाई आई से दिस सुधीर मिश्रा इज मैजिशियन. वो आपका सुर ताल ही बदल देगा. नाउ ही ह्यूमन इमोशंस अमंग ऑल द कैरेक्टर्स हैज बीन चेंज्ड. हाउ इट कैन नॉट बी सेम.
Okay.
उसके टेकिंग डिफरेंट है, क्लोथिंग डिफरेंट है, सोच डिफरेंट है, एनर्जी डिफरेंट है, तासीर डिफरेंट है. तो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, इट्स नॉट अ रीमेक, इट्स अ रीइमेजिनेशन ऑफ दैट शो. स्टोरी सेम है, राइट, बट व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू टेल देम इज अ बैकड्रॉप ऑफ कश्मीर. दिस इजराइल एंड कश्मीर आर डिफरेंट.
Right.
So it's different altogether.
Okay. So political dramas can be very intriguing, but also at the same time it can be very, you have to play it really safe, right? But what do you think, because you have to also maintain the sensitivity of the show you're doing because it's so relevant. What do you think, Gaurav, that what should be your contribution as an actor to make sure that you play the part really well, or there should be no controversies here on, or because you're also playing an antagonist, and what should your part be as an actor?
I think as long as you do it honestly and with sincerity, it always strikes a chord with the audience. अगर आप उसमें कुछ gimmicks करोगे just to grab eyeballs, then perhaps it may go wrong. But also we had such wonderful set of directors, Sudhir Mishra and Srinivas, who are so audience की नफ्स जानते हैं. वो खुद ही अपने आप में institutions है. So you are in safe hands. So you cannot go wrong anyway. But since you've asked only about actors, I just feel as long as you're just honest, sincere, and you're not harming anyone, you cannot go wrong. Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah.
Well said.
thank you.
Manav, you have played roles that are very sort of, that will you've played a character as a villain, and then you've played relatively softer characters as well. What is your approach like when you sort of choose a role, or I can do a villain and I can be an honest cop as well? So what is your approach when such roles come to you?
There are 3 things. One is money. Money is the biggest thing, right? And second is, on a serious note, I just believe that I asked that question to myself कि क्या मैं अपने आप को इस तरह से स्क्रीन पे देख सकता हूँ? If I want to see myself on screen like this, for example, उड़ता पंजाब कर रहा था, I wanted to see myself on screen.
Or
like this.
Andhadhun also for that matter.
Andhadhun was great.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was different. And then I played negatives like Prithviraj Chauhan and all. Then eventually I started shifting to positives.
Yeah.
For example, Lal Singh Chadda hai, फिर तनाव है, गांठ है. So
Was it organic or did you consciously choose
नहीं,
positive roles?
consciously तो मैं कुछ choose नहीं कर सका. मुझे यही नहीं पता consciously मैंने खाना क्या अभी. So I am not a very planned man. I'm organized man, but not a planned man. Organized मतलब कि मेरे को अगर कहीं जाना है तो मैं organize कर लूँगा ऐसे ऐसे मैं करना चाहता हूँ.
Okay.
But मैं कुछ भी plan नहीं कर पाया लाइफ में. Few people are self-made man. I'm a God-made man. I'm a God-made man. वो मैं सिंपली बता रहा हूँ. कई बार मैं कुछ सोचता हूँ यार काश यार मुझे ऐसा देंगे ये, तो मुझे मिल जाता है. कई बार मुझे लगता है मुझे तो करना ही है, तो मुझे नहीं देता ऊपर कि तू अभी खराब करेगा उसको. Don't go. I think the surrender part of me, which believes in surrendering to your director, to Almighty, surrendering to the kalam, surrendering to your own thoughts, surrendering to your own demons, has worked for me very well.
Okay.
See, so many characters you have seen, that's not me. मैं थोड़ी हूँ यार बंदूक लेके घूमता हूँ, लोगों को बोलता हूँ तुम्हें मार दूंगा, right? And I'm not that aggressive man in my life. जैसे तनाव में हूँ. जब आप सरेंडर कर देते हो, आप सुनना शुरू कर देते हो, लिसनिंग कैपेबिलिटी उसको बढ़ा देते हो, and then the absorption power, it's like a sponge.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, it works. It works magically. And then people come to you, बड़ा अच्छा किया. आपसे थैंक यू भी नहीं बुलाया था.
I think this is a life lesson and not just an acting lesson, you know?
ये very simple. For example, अगर आप acceptance में नहीं जियोगे,
Yeah.
पेन ज़्यादा होगा. Denial में मत जियो. So that is a funda I applied for that. I was totally a non-actor. Totally non-actor. I'm telling you, so many times, so my family has asked me, come back, do your medicine. No. Because I did medicine in my life. But eventually, somewhere down the line, जब आपको एक्सेप्टेंस आ जाती है कि मुझे सुनना है यार, तो हो जाता है. ठीक है. फिर वो मैं आती है बिकॉज इतने सारे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिलते हैं. फिर अब फाइट क्या है कि उसको तोड़ दा कि नहीं मैंने कुछ नहीं किया यार, अभी शुरू से करो. सो आप देखो कितनी बार मैं टीवी करता था. टीवी करते करते हाउ आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग विलन्स रोल. देन आई नेवर वांटेड. मैं थोड़ी क्या किया था घर में मम्मी को, मम्मी मैं विलन बनना चाहता हूँ. एवरीबडी वांट्स टू बिकम अ हीरो. सो दिस इज माय काइंड ऑफ फर्स्ट लीड एट दिस एज. एंड देन एवरीबडी सेड कि अब भी क्या करोगे. अब मैंने बोला एक्शन करूंगा, तो अब एक्शन करो. सो वाई इट इज हैपनिंग इज, हम गौरव से ही बात करते थे, हम सब लोग बैठ के बात करते थे जब हमारे दिमाग में शक होता था. मैंने उनको बोला छोड़ दो यार, क्रिकेट खेलो. अगर मैं ही प्लान कर सकता तो मैं महल ना बना लेता अपने लिए, राइट? सो मैं इनको भी यही बोलता हूँ, छोड़ दो, सिर्फ आप कर्म करो, मेहनत इतनी ही करो कि उसको भी लगे यार किससे पंगा ले लिया. उसने आपको बोला कि 100 मीटर भाग को 200 मीटर भाग के दिखाओ ऊपर वाले को, मजाल हाथ से छीन ले. वो इतना बेवकूफ थोड़ी है. You're getting the point.
Yeah.
So your approach towards life and your work as an actor or greeting someone should have 100%. And good actor, bad actor है ही नहीं. आप देखो, everybody is good actor. अगर देखो, so many times I can't take a hero's name. They have given 100 crores. और कोई उनकी फिल्म देखते हो आपको लगता है यार ये क्या किया इसने.
Yeah.
Why? सेम आदमी है ना, क्योंकि अब इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं थी. 100% नहीं होगा. वो प्रोसेस जिसके कारण आपको 100% मिल रहा था वो नहीं होगा. सो दैट्स द होल थिंग आई फॉलो. सो माई होल ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम villain to TV to villain to now becoming a hero,
Yeah.
now doing intense roles and doing Patna Shukla also with Ravina.
Yeah, yeah.
That's not me. मैं किसी की ना सुनूं. I played a good husband. So I'm very proud of myself. I played a good husband. So it's just a surrender which works.
Okay, well put. So Gaurav, you started your career with modeling,
Correct.
and then eventually you ventured into acting.
Yeah.
And you're doing a pretty good job. Do you Do you sometimes sort of go back and sit and look back at your journey and you feel, you know, that I've come a long way? Or what are the challenge? I'm sure, you know, whatever you've achieved was also not very easy. So if you could tell us something about it.
So while I was in school and college, I saw all these models get into films.
Okay.
Arjun, John, Priyanka, Aishwarya, and I thought this is the only way how I can actually become an actor. Because मैं उससे पहले कभी मुंबई ही नहीं आया था. मुझे छोड़ो, मेरी फैमिली, मेरे फ्रेंड्स, मेरे सर्कल में किसी को फिल्म्स या एक्टिंग से कोई लेने देना ही नहीं था दूर दूर तक. So this was the thought that I always had. कि भाई यही शायद तरीका है. And then with that frame of mind, I actually came to Mumbai and I started to model. But this plan actually backfired. By the time I made a name for myself in modeling, तब तक एक proven point ये आ चुका था कि models can't act. तो मैं जहाँ भी जाता था तो problem ये होती थी यार no models से ही नहीं. So then I had to break that image. Then I started working on myself. Then I got a couple of films, which truly they were disasters, and I don't have to hide about it. It didn't work at all, and that is where my learning actually started. क्योंकि वो failure था, I never had a plan B. I still don't have a plan B. So when I realized कि बस अभी यहाँ से अगर if this is the only thing that I want to do, this is what I want to pursue, then I really have to work on myself, and that is where the learning started. For 2 years I only worked on myself. I said no to everything that came my way because I thought I'm not ready for it. And now with OTT especially, it's opened a lot of doors, and this I think is only the beginning. What I want to do is I in my own head, this is just baby steps, and yeah, I mean I have my dreams.
Do you have a plan in mind? 5 years later, I have to be there.
No, I don't have any plans.
Yes.
नहीं मेरे बिल्कुल plans नहीं है.
You're taking Baba steps, not baby steps.
No, what I feel is the best part.
Man. Say I'm taking Baba steps.
The best part about हमारे job का जो होता है ना, unpredictability, uncertainty, but it also I thrive in it. मुझे नहीं पता मैं कल क्या कर रहा हूँ या परसों क्या कर रहा हूँ. So I mean my friends and a lot of people that I know वो by default life जी रहे हैं. उन्होंने स्कूल किया, स्कूल के बाद कॉलेज किया, कॉलेज के बाद उन्होंने कॉलेज में BBA किया है तो बाय डिफॉल्ट MBA कर लेंगे, MBA के बाद बाय डिफॉल्ट आपका एक जॉब लग जाएगा, फिर 2 साल बाद बाय डिफॉल्ट आप दूसरी कंपनी में शिफ्ट हो जाओगे, आपका पैकेज बढ़ जाएगा, फिर 2 साल बाद बाय डिफॉल्ट यू विल प्रोबब्ली मीट समवन, देन यू विल हैंग आउट. उसके पहले आप दोस्तों के साथ मिलते थे, फिर सिर्फ सैटरडे दोस्तों के साथ मिलोगे, बाकी टाइम उसके साथ रहोगे, बाय डिफॉल्ट आपकी शादी हो जाएगी, देन यू विल स्विच, which is very good. Simplicity, it gives you, it gives you grounding, anchoring, and it works beautifully for a lot of people. But I think unpredictability, uncertainty is where I thrive in.
Okay.
Yeah.
They are with default, he's with fault.
I am with fault.
Okay, but also the last questions that I have for you. I know it's like not so relevant today, but we cannot have you and not ask about this.
Please
Tell us something about Asur 2, your role and your prep and everything.
Asur 2?
Yeah, you were such a
I don't
hit.
even know if we should be talking about Asur 2,
Yeah.
but it was the most amazing experience of my life. Some really good people were associated with it, and I think it's one of those shows जहाँ पे Indian flavor, Indian story बहुत strong है, and yeah, that's why people have loved it.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you.
And Manav, what's next for you?
Next is see, there were 2 things coming up. One is a show who's directed by Enivas only. Applause has produced it.
Okay.
They've not named it yet. और वो कहाँ रिलीज होता है मुझे बताते भी नहीं है, क्योंकि उनको तो बोलता बहुत है, बता देगा किसी को. सो मेरे से हाइड करते हैं सारे. सो नो, आई एम नॉट अलाउड टू टेल. बेसिकली मुझे पता ही नहीं है. सेकेंड वो भी आ जाएगा एक आधे महीने में. सेकेंड आई थिंक आई एम डूइंग अ फिल्म कॉल्ड माँ जाए, मी एंड जिमी शेगिल.
Okay.
It's a Punjabi film, very beautiful film. I'm playing the role of a patient of spina bifida.
Okay.
They can't walk, there's a problem with spine. It's really difficult. That I'm completing in October. I'm looking forward to that. But these are the 2 projects I'm going to finish first.
Okay.
फिर देखते हैं, अगर घर वालों ने बोला जाके रोटी कमा के ला तो निकलेंगे लोटा लेके.
Okay, thank you so much for your time.